I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My throat is sore and I have a small cough.
How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday afternoon,
Do you also have a fever?
I feel warm and a little tired.
Okay, that sounds like a mild cold.
I'm thinking about seeing a doctor.
That might be a good idea.
I don't go to the doctor often.
It helps to go when symptoms last.
I want to book an appointment.
We can plan what to say.
Yes, I want to explain my symptoms clearly.
Let's practice simple phrases.
I can say I have a sore throat.
Good, and you can add, I have a cough.
I can also say I feel tired.
Perfect. Keep the sentences short.
Should I mention my temperature?
Yes, you can say you have a low fever.
What if the doctor asks about pain?
You can say where it hurts and how strong it is.
Okay, I will say the pain is mild.
That sounds clear and helpful.
When should I try to go?
Try to get a time this afternoon or tomorrow morning.
I can call the clinic during my break.
Before you call, write down your basic info.
What should I write?
Your full name, date of birth, and phone number.
Should I prepare my health card?
Yes, put it in your wallet so you don't forget.
I will take a photo of the card too.
Smart idea, just in case.
Should I tell them about allergies?
Definitely tell if you have any medicine allergies.
I'm not allergic to any medicine.
Great. That makes things easier.
I only get a rash from some soaps.
You can mention skin sensitivity if they ask.
Should I talk about my job stress?
If it affects your sleep or eating, mention it.
I slept badly last night.
Then say, I did not sleep well because of the cough.
The clinic is near the bus stop.
That's convenient for you.
I can take the bus after work.
Leave a little early to arrive on time.
I will bring a bottle of water.
Good. And bring tissues too.
Do I need cash for the visit?
Call and ask about payment and insurance.
I'll check the clinic website first.
Yes, the hours and address are usually there.
Before the visit, I will eat a light lunch.
That's right. An empty stomach can make you weak.
I will wear a simple t-shirt.
That helps if the doctor checks your chest.
I will also write down my questions.
Good plan. You won't forget anything.
My first question is about the cough.
You can write, how long will this cough last?
My second question is about medicine.
Then write, do I need pills or just rest?
Can we role play for a minute?
Sure, let's try it.
Hello, doctor. I have a sore throat and a cough.
How high is your fever, John?
I think it's low.
Do you have chest pain or shortness of breath?
No chest pain, just a dry cough.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't have any medicine allergies.
Okay, please drink warm tea and rest.
That practice makes me feel ready.
You will do great at the clinic.
If I get medicine, how should I take it?
Follow the label, amount and time of day.
Should I take cough syrup with food?
Ask the doctor or pharmacist to be sure.
I sometimes forget doses.
Set phone reminders for each dose.
I also worry about side effects.
Read the leaflet and stop if you feel bad.
After I get better, I want to stay healthy.
Small daily habits help a lot.
I will wash my hands more often.
That's the best start.
I will drink more water during the day.
Aim for a bottle before lunch and one after.
I will go to bed earlier this week.
Sleep gives your body time to heal.
I will cook a simple soup tonight.
Warm soup is gentle on a sore throat.
I'm going to call the clinic at 3.
Great, keep your notes in front of you.
If they ask for symptoms, I will be clear.
Short answers are better on the phone.
If they ask about time, I prefer tomorrow morning.
Say that and ask for the earliest slot.
What else should I bring to the visit?
Bring your ID, health card, and a list of medicines.
I only take a daily vitamin.
Write that on the list anyway.
Should I bring a thermometer reading?
Yes, write the number and the time you took it.
I measured it this morning.
That detail helps the doctor.
I will also bring a pen.
Nice, you can write the doctor's advice.
I often get nervous in waiting rooms.
Try slow breathing while you wait.
I will silence my phone.
That keeps the space calm and quiet.
I will also wear a mask if I cough.
That is polite and careful.
I will sit away from other people.
Good choice to protect others.
After the visit, I'll text you.
I want to know how it goes.
If I need a follow-up, I will schedule it.
Ask for a date before you leave the clinic.
If tests are needed, I will read the instructions.
Follow them exactly for good results.
If I get a sick note, I will tell my manager.
Keep it short and professional at work.
If I feel worse, I will call the clinic again.
Don't wait if symptoms get stronger.
Thanks for helping me plan this.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Talking with you makes me calmer.
I'm glad you feel better.
I will make tea with honey now.
That will soothe your throat.
Then I will rest for an hour.
That should speed up your recovery.
Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.